Hi there, it is Mrs. Klett, and it is April 1st. Isn't that awesome? We're on to another month, but you don't have any work today, so bye. I'm just kidding. It's April Fool's Day. April Fools, got you. Okay, and the joke of the day is, did you hear about the cat who ate a ball of yarn? Well, several months later, she had a litter of mittens. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so let's move on. We are going to work on our, I think I'm going to turn the light on. A little dark. Okay, here we are. I'm going to bring this up closer to me so that we can see it all. Okay, here we go. I have confiscated one of my boys' bedrooms that they just moved out of. Then this is now my teacher room. Yay! All right, so for today, we are going to have our reader-writer test. So we're going to do some reviewing before we get there. Now, we've done all the words in the previous ones. Go ahead and look over your list of words. See if you can figure out where they divide into syllables, and just review all that. And if you need to go back to those previous videos, that's okay. Your folks should still have those listed. The ones that need to take a test, I didn't get everybody's tests yesterday, so they may be in the box. I don't know, but I don't have them here. So the ones that made 100 of the ones I got were Dimitri, Casey, and Levi. Good job, y'all. And then the ones that need to take it are Catherine, Claire, Katie, Avery, Jerome, Neil, and Gabe. And I'm going to put this on a video link so that you can take the spelling test whenever you want. And I'm reading them off to you just like I did yesterday. So they're the same words. They haven't changed any. So there you go for that. So you do your test. The ones that I read off need to do it today. We did that. Okay. So now we're going to go to you do math lesson 1. Here we go. I'm on the wrong day. 129. And I've already got the video up for that, so you can use that. And I put on your list, instead of spelling today, please read the fluency selection. We've already done that, so let's not do that this week. So just do your spelling test and take a break if you get all done with that. And those that are already through, Dimitri, Casey, and Levi, you can just take a break, period. The very first thing. Then the math, like I said, is lesson 129. You have instruction on the YouTube video, so just bring that up whenever you're ready to do your math. And then your parent will need to time you for the speed drill. I believe it's 2 minutes, but you can check that when it's time to do it. And then you're going to do, we're starting into the reading, writing stuff, and DVD 317 is called Sequence. I know I've got it right here. Sequence is 317. Is that what I just said? Yes. Sequence in a story is the order in which events happen. Clue words such as first, next, then, and finally are often used to signal the sequence in a story. Dates and times can also be clues. Sometimes no clue words are used at all. You have to read carefully. So read the passage on 317 and then circle the statements that best tell the beginning, middle, and end. So in the beginning, there are 3 options, and you have to circle the one you think was the beginning. And then the middle, there are another 3 options. You circle the one that you think is the middle. And then the end, you circle the one that you think. There are 3 options again. You circle that. And then number 4, you circle clue words in the passage that tell the order of events. Circle them first, then write them down. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 clue words or clue group of words that tell about that. Okay? And then you're done with 317. Then do 318 DVD. It's called Adverbs. From 1 to 5, underline the adverb in each sentence. Remember, an adverb tells more about what the noun is, so it describes the noun. Oh, sorry, back that up. An adverb describes the verb. So you want to look for, first of all, your verb, and then look for your adverb. So number 1, often moving to a new country is difficult. So your word is, what's your verb? What's your action word? Moving. So your adverb then would be often. Okay, often moving. Number 2, you must leave your friends behind. And your verb is leave. Where are you going to leave them? Behind is your adverb. So you do 3, 4, and 5. Choose the correct word on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to, in parentheses, to complete each sentence. You don't have to write the whole sentence. I just need to know that you have picked the correct word, or your parents will check this for you. So Kim's grandpa lived either peacefully or peaceful with Kim's family in Korea. Would you use peacefully or peaceful? So I'm going to let you guys do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know how to do this. I know you can do it. All right. Then you're going to do your daily fix-it, 9 and 10, and check it with your parents have the answer key for that. If you are not done with writing your poem, which most of you are, but not all of you, I need that 3rd draft in your final draft, okay? Your poems have been amazing. You're really doing a good job. And then you have your test today. And that's over. Goodbye, 382 Shin Dang Dong. Your parents have it in their packet. Unit 5, Week 3. Please put the test in the Dropbox after you've finished, as well as your handwriting is due in today for a full sheet of H and K, both upper and lower. You can put that in the Dropbox too, but let's go over this test and see what's needed. You may or may not be able to see me while I'm talking. You will have vocabulary. Find the word or words with the same meaning as the underlined word. That would be a synonym. So you fill in the circle next to the answer, the one with the same meaning. And phonics, that's number 8 through 12. Find the word or words that best answer each question and fill in the circle next to the answer. So there's a lot of sounds in here. In fact, I think it's all about sounds. It is. So you had those ought, off, all those sounds this week. So be very, very careful. And instead of going by the spelling, go by what it sounds like. Okay. Then you have comprehension. And the name of the story is Goal. And let's see. Choose the item that best answers each question about the selection you just read, and then fill in the circle next to the answer. You need to know about conclusions. You need to know about sequence, what happens first, next, last. You know about inferences, where you use your previous knowledge or what's in the text to come up with an answer. Again, sequence, they're big on sequence here. They compared those kids. Again, sequence, what happened after the goal, and they want to know what you infer about the plot's final resolution. So you have to get that out of the text, what you think happens. As far as the writing, nope, don't do it. This is not April Fool's. It really is not April Fool's, just you don't need to write. So let me go back to streaming. Where did we go? Here we are. Okay, so I'm back. Did you get all that explanation? I had to go on my computer to look that up. So you have your test today. You've got your handwriting to turn in. You've got a spelling test to turn in. If you're just now getting it done today, except for those 3 that got 100 yesterday. And that's the deal. Then tonight, read for 20 minutes or today, and then tell what you read to a parent so that they'll know that you're getting it, that you have that comprehension. So describe that to your parent and have a great evening. Bye. See you tomorrow.